Hiya. So I've got another haul for you here today. This is a mini haul. So I did the big haul with my craft stash voucher, which I did a video for, and this one is just a follow-up to that. I loved having a really good shopping spree. It was so much fun. So what I did this time is I did a de-stash of all my craft stuff, and I sold some stuff on eBay, and with the money I made I bought some stuff that I was going to utilise more, because I've got so much stuff that I don't use, and I think I'm going to try and keep on top of that. So every 6 months or so I'm going to do a de-stash, because if I'm not using it, it's just sitting there. It's just a shame. Somebody else could get good use out of it, and then I can get things that I want. And I'll probably do some little giveaways as well, of a couple of unused sets, and I'll do that when I hit subscriber milestones. So if you can all help me get there, that would be great, and then I can do little giveaways, then you might win something. Okay, so the first thing that I'm showing you today is this fuse tool by We Are Memory Keepers. I'm not a scrapbooker. I know a lot of people use this for scrapbooking. I bought it because I want to make shakers and shaker cards, and I'm going to have so much fun with this. There'll definitely be videos accompanying this, so watch out for those. Okay, so I got these from Amazon, both of these items. So I got the Lawn Fawn Owl Snap from Amazon as well, the stamp set. I got the accompanying dies from a different website because I like to find a deal. So what I'll do is I'll shop around, and I'll see if there's any discount codes, because, you know, why not save yourself a little bit of money? I'm really thrifty, and sometimes I'll buy second hand as well if it's in good condition, and I can get a good deal. I'm more than happy to buy second hand as well. So yeah, Amazon was the cheapest place for this, so that's where I got it from. So then I got the coordinating dies to go with those, and I got this from a little website called Maddy Crafts. It's a small company, I think, and they seem to have a small stock, but what they have is fantastic and the prices are amazing. So I got the Oh Snap dies, and I got the reindeer for my tiny gift box. So this is so that I can make little Christmas treats, which I'm really looking forward to doing. So at the minute, I don't know how long she's got it going on for, but she's got a 20% discount when you spend over £20. So if you're going to check out Maddy Crafts, now is the time to do that, because you can get some good deals. Also, she doesn't charge shipping, and her prices are really good. So guys, you should, if you're in the UK, you should go and check that out. I'm sure she does international shipping as well, so it might be worth looking at, but definitely UK, free shipping, low prices, 20% off, definitely worth having a look. I might add as well that she doesn't know that I'm mentioning her in this video or anything like that. The lady, I think her name's Anne, the lady who runs the site. So yeah, this is just me sharing a tip with you reluctantly, because I don't want her to sell out all these great deals, and me go there and find that there's nothing. But you know, she does great prices, so you know, it'd be nice to send some business her way, and for you guys to get some nice deals. Okay, so then the last three items, see, it wasn't that many, and again, it's nearly all Lawn Fawn. You know what I'm like. I have mentioned it now. So the last three I got from Seven Hill Crafts. So this is another good one for UK shoppers. They do charge shipping, but the delivery cost is worth it because the prices are that little bit lower than other websites. But yeah, if you can buy like multi-buy, it's definitely worth buying multiples with them, because you know, it makes it worth it with the shipping price. So I've got the tiny hat add-ons. So my thinking with this is, with the tiny gift boxes, this one's very Christmassy, but then there's going to be other ones that are not so Christmassy, and I've got a Christmas hat in here, and a woolly hat. So I think, like, I'm not sure which other ones I've got that many now. I'm not sure which other ones I've got, but I can put the Christmas hat on, maybe a cat, for example. I don't think I've got the cat one, but I can put a hat on it and make it Christmassy. And also I've got the witch's hat, so if I'm really into Halloween at the minute, as you all know, so then I can maybe do some Halloween boxes as well. Maybe I mean, I did think about maybe doing little treats for all the kids that come around in these little boxes, but I think like last year we had so many visitors to our little cul-de-sac that I think, gosh, I would have to do a lot of little boxes to fill with the treats, so that's probably not going to happen, unfortunately. Maybe next year, if I start like in January, I'll be able to do little boxes for all the kids. Okay, so then the next one is the For You Dear set. So if you saw my other haul, you'll see that I got the Don't Worry Be Hoppy ones, and I wanted the Christmas ones as well. So the Don't Worry Be Hoppy ones I can use anytime, and these ones I can use specifically for my Christmas gift tags, which I'm really looking forward to doing. And I haven't got, if you saw my Don't Worry Be Hoppy one, it's got like the tag die. I haven't got that yet. It's on order. I'm waiting for it to arrive. It was out of stock, so that wasn't with Seven Hill Crafts though. So I'm just waiting for that one to turn up, and then I can get playing. It is really going to be time soon to move on to Christmas videos, so that will be fun. Not just yet though, because I've got a couple of birthdays to do before then, so I'll probably film videos of those as well. And that's it again, that's another haul done. I will have one more haul video. I got an amazing bargain on eBay the other day, so I'll be sharing that with you soon. That's it for now, and I'll be doing another card video of course soon. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe if you've enjoyed this, and I'll see you soon. Bye guys.